Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's something different. Fuji X-M5 with the Fuji 27mm 2.8 lens. My second recording. My first recording, I did not have eye autofocus on, and it was focusing a lot, hunting. And if I put something, and it didn't have product on either, so hopefully this works better. All right, what we got today is a USB-C hub. So they sent me this for a quick review. It's 240 watts, which is a lot of power. It has 7 USB-Cs and 1 USB-C-A. So this is good for that office area where you have a whole bunch of your cords you want to charge all at once. Really good for vacation, going to a hotel and not having to do this. I have it all plugged into my station over there. These things, right? You leave these all across the hotel and you gotta find plugs for them. And sometimes the plugs you find are behind couches or chairs and you have to remember that you put them there. I do forget these at times. So what happens, you put it behind the chair, you bring the cord around, you plug something in, you unplug it to use it, and then you forget the cord's there. And then when you get home, you're like, oh. Well, this will give you the opportunity to get rid of all these little bad boys and then do all your plugging in one local spot. Even a USB-C-A can go inside here. This one's, oh, that's USB-C also. But it does come with, and this is from, I'm going to pronounce it wrong, Multixel. Amazon right here where you can find it. Check out the price for it. I do like it because travel I can bring just the cords. This one brick, which is charged by this plug right here. So you plug this guy right in the back and then you get all in one spot. So when you have this in the hotel, you have all your cords running out of it. All your iPads and stuff can be in one location charging. And then when you're done, you're not going to forget it because it's a big spaghetti mess right here. You're going to remember it because all your stuff's plugged into it, and you won't forget these all across the room. And you don't have to pack these, which is nice. Again, it comes with 2 cords, USB-C, which are nice cords, USB-C, USB-C, and I got this one USB-C to Lightning right here. It also is supposed to come with a case, like a little case to put it in to make it all neat. Mine didn't, so tough luck for me, I guess, but that is what you should get when you order one and get the correct thing. But I do like it, so I stick it in my camera bag and in my travel bag all the time because my daughter has one. It's a little bit bigger and rounder. It has a lot less plugs, but we use it all the time because it's kind of like the hub. This is the hub for all your charging on your vacation go or your office. All right, that's it. Check them out. If you don't want to, then don't want to, but I like it. All right, we'll see you in the next one.